Hey everybody, this is Miss Knight. I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to check to sign in as a parent on Moby Max. So you're going to just make sure that you are logging in as a parent right here. There are different tabs: logging in as a student, teacher, or a parent. You just want to make sure that you are logging in as a parent. So you want to use your child's login. I'm just using a student that's already moved to show you some data and what it looks like. So click sign in. So the first thing that comes up is overview, and this is going to be the student's last 30 days in all of the different sections and subjects that the student has worked in. Here we have math, reading stories, reading skills literature, reading skills informational, all the different subject areas and what date they were completed on, and then how much time was spent in each one of those subject areas. This is a pie chart that represents the data from here. At the top, you'll notice that you have different tabs up here. These are all of the different subject areas that you can click on to see the individual content areas reports. Reading, they all pretty much look the same. This one is the first one, reading skills and informational. It'll tell you the current grade level. The current grade level is generated by the placement test that the students are taking with their reading placement test. And then it'll tell you if the student continues to use this program an average of 2 days, 2 minutes per day, an average of 4 minutes a week, for a total of 9 minutes a week, the student is projected to make 0 progress. He will stay at a level 5. Down here, you have the last sessions and the dates and how many minutes were spent there, how much they focused, and how many problems that were done. You can scroll down and you will see the lesson topics done in the last 30 days right here, and that'll have the very specific lesson details right here of what topic it was and what their score was, or clearly if it's in progress. And then down here you'll have upcoming lessons for this content area, standards passed each month. Once a student continues to work in it, more charts will be displayed there. Here you have the grade level progress. After the student does their placement test, they will be given an overall accuracy proficient level and percentage for their kindergarten skills, first grade skills, second grade skills, third grade skills, and fourth grade skills. If they sometimes they may not get 100% in every single grade level, this program will generate lessons in order to fill in those gaps. It is very common that after a student does a placement test that the lessons generally are pretty simple in the beginning, because it's usually a lower level skill that they needed to go back and learn again. So that's why usually it's pretty simple in the beginning. It definitely gets harder as these 100% grade levels reach 100% over time. Then it'll continuously get harder. This is true for all of the other content areas as well. If we click on math, you see the same type of chart. This student has not done their placement test, so that's why the grade level is 0. And that is why we have no grade level progress here. But after the student does their placement test, you will have a grade level progress that'll be listed right here. You have the same type of thing with the lessons, the last sessions, and the last of 30 days, and you have your overall grade level progress. Same type of thing with the reading skills. So we can click on reading literature. Not reading literature, reading assessment. And the reading assessment is a test, and it'll track what date they did it on and their reading level that they received once they finished it. So, reading skills literature, the same type of chart. Once they do their placement test, they will be given the grade level progress on each grade level that they did, how they did on the placement test. And this is how the computer will generate their lessons based on their performance in each grade level. If the placement test shows that the student is missing skills in first grade, second grade, third grade, and fourth grade, then this right here will not be at 100%, and the computer will generate lessons in order for the student to fill in the gaps in understanding for the different grade levels. Reading stories here. Fact fluency. It's a little bit more colorful. This one tracks their fact fluency for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The student will take a placement test for their fact fluency, and they will be placed according to where their fact fluency knowledge lies. This student, after the placement test, got 63% for addition, 34% for subtraction, and 0% knowledge in multiplication and division. So the computer will put the student at fact fluency addition and finish the 63%, and we want them to get to 100% completion on all of their facts. See, the green here is what shows you what facts they know, and then the white ones that are not filled in shows you what facts that the student is still working on finishing. And you can click on all the different facts to see how they're doing. Green represents what they know, and then the white represents the facts that they haven't quite mastered yet. This also tells you what day they worked on it. They haven't done any work in March or April. So all of these facts were probably mastered because of the placement test. That would be my best guess. All right, that's about it. We won't be doing any numbers, so you won't have to worry about that one. All right, thanks for joining me and have a great day. If you need anything, just let us know.